Whether you're confused about all the insurance jargon or you want to be prepared before talking with an insurance agent, in this video I will give some quick explanations of what may or should be on your business insurance policy. If you're starting a business of your own, chances are you've already spent plenty of hours researching all the requirements that you need in terms of insurance. While you should be focusing on tasks like hiring employees or what your marketing strategy would be, you're forced to think about insurance. What coverage is required to open? How much is covered by a professional liability policy? Do I need workers' compensation coverage? While every industry and location may be different, there are common policies that every business should have. Professional liability, also known as errors and omissions, E&O. This protects against claims and litigations made against businesses that provide professional and personal services. This covers dissatisfied customers, work mistakes and oversights, professional negligence lawsuits, late or incomplete work, errors from subcontractors, and personal injury such as slander. General liability, also known as commercial general liability or CGL. This covers common risks when it comes to running a business and is the baseline policy that you should purchase. It covers customer injuries at your business, damaged customer property, libel, slander, or copyright lawsuits, and product liability. Note that business owner's policy bundles property insurance and general liability insurance into one plan. Cyber liability. This is perhaps one of the most important policies in the modern day. It protects from a broad range of information security related claims originating both internally and externally. It covers loss of digital assets, fraud monitoring costs, business interruption and extra expenses, cyber extortion costs, associated legal fees, non-employee privacy liability, electronic media liability, like IP or copyright infringement, and cyber terrorism liability. Keep in mind, it's not the big businesses that are just targeted for cyber attacks, it's the small businesses too. Employment practices liability insurance, also known as EPLI. This covers common employment-related lawsuits filed against companies. It covers breach of contract or employee agreement, discrimination, wrongful termination, sexual harassment, workplace harassment, retaliation, and defamation. Workers' compensation, also known as workman's comp or workers' comp. This covers expenses associated with injuries or illnesses sustained by employees working for your company. It covers damages to employees caused by employers' negligence, lawsuits from employees, medical benefits, and loss of wages. Commercial auto insurance, otherwise known as business automobile liability. This helps cover the costs of repairing and replacing business-owned cars, trucks, heavy trucks, and semi-trucks. It covers accidents involving business-owned vehicles, including collision coverage, bodily injury resulting from an accident, theft of the vehicle, towing and rental, uninsured and underinsured motorist, damage from an accident, vandalism, or weather, and employee medical expenses if the workers' compensation insurance limit was reached. There you have it, the most notable insurance policies available to businesses. Keep in mind that there are boundaries built into the coverage of an insurance policy. They're known as limits. You can choose the amount of the insurance coverage limit, which determines the premium payment amount. Be sure to check with your insurance agent to discuss the option best suited for you and your business. But some bonus information. Some extra insurance policies you may not have heard of or think of. Commercial flood, business owner's policy, otherwise known as a BOP, umbrella insurance, directors and officers, otherwise called D&O, special events, liquor liability, and health insurance. Here at Northeast Insurance Services, we're more than insurance. We protect what means the most to you, and we built our business on connecting with clients. In the comments below, be sure to tell us any insurance information that you think is super important and you want to share. And be sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and if you're interested in more insurance information, check out this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.